In this clip, we'll take a look through Murchie's Product Variations tab. Product Variations enable you to customize specific fields and options relating to your products. Clicking the plus button will present you with a range of elements you can customize and display in your Murchie store that cater to the various options around your product. By using group variations, you can offer multiple relative versions of a specific product, such as colors and sizes. For example, if I choose Image Select, I can provide an image area to display the various versions my product offers. And then, if I choose Select, I can create a specific list of sizes that my product comes in. This is particularly useful to manage a family of products that may come in various shapes and sizes. Variation fields can be useful in situations where you need to span across your product variations, as they take precedence over existing group variations. In the next clip, we'll explore variation fields and how they can offer even deeper customization of your product types.